Do you ever feel like your outfit isn't hitting the mark and making you feel a little less confident or impactful? Well, what if I told you that your clothes, they're not just fabric, they're powerful tools shaping how you see and feel about yourself. My name is Amanda Massey. I've been a stylist for over a decade, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you the psychology behind power dressing. So take a second to subscribe and stick around until the end of the video for a very exciting giveaway that you don't want to miss. All right, let's get started. First impressions are incredibly powerful. I feel like they're so important that from 2014 to 2018, I developed a remote styling platform called First Impressions. First Impressions was designed for men specifically to create daily outfits from the store that knew them best, their own closet. Research shows that it only takes 7 seconds for someone to form an opinion about you based on your appearance alone. So you have to think about it. What does that mean? What is your wardrobe really saying about you, and what choices are you making to make that impression? Think about it. When you put on that perfectly tailored blazer or that sexy red dress, the world immediately takes notice. You can feel the energy shift in your direction and literally see heads turn. The colors that you choose, the fit of your clothing, and especially your accessories can play a significant role in conveying authority and confidence. So ask yourself, think about it. What message do you want your outfit to tell? Whether you're prepping for a job interview or gearing up for a presentation or stepping into a networking event, your outfit sets the stage for your performance. I'm going to keep this very simple for you. So I've done an outfit formula, and I'm going to show one corporate outfit, one outfit for creative fields, and then how to mix them up for jobs that fall just in between. So in less than 10 minutes, you're gonna have 9 outfits by the end of this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with what to wear for a job interview for the corporate field. I have a very easy traditional white button down that I placed underneath this geographic sweater vest. What's nice about this is it's very simple. Everyone has something like this in their closet. And then what I'm gonna add to it is a very simple gray slack. What makes these slacks so unique are the silver grommets that go down the side. When you pair them together, it seems very basic, something that you would put together initially on your own. But here's something that you can switch up, is having a tailored blazer that falls a little bit below your waistline. I really like how long this blazer is, and I also like that it doesn't have a traditional collar and lapel. So it has a very sleek line that goes all the way down your body to elongate your proportions. So when you have this outfit together, you have great tone-on-tone grays so that the clothes are not wearing you, you are wearing the clothes. And during the job interview, the person that's interviewing you isn't gonna get distracted. The shoes that I wanna add to finish these off are really beautiful pointed black shoes. And what I love most about the black shoes are the silver spikes, because they really tie into the silver grommets that go down the side of the slacks. So this is your corporate outfit, tone-on-tone gray, sweater vest, and very simple black shoes. Now for creative, for a job interview, you're watching because you like color, print, pattern, and texture, but you don't really know how to combine it. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. The secret is keeping the tones of the colors together. We have this blazer by Favorite Daughter, and it's houndstooth. Then we have a shirt that's stripes, and you're like, houndstooth and stripes, do those really go together? Yes, they do. And they go together because the tones have a lot of synergy. So this really speaks for you before you walk into the room. So being in the creative field, this expresses to the person interviewing you that you're what? A creative. See the difference? We don't want the clothes to speak for you, but in the creative field, you do. You want to communicate your creative vibes for the position that you want to be hired for. Now, I find that my clients that work in the creative field, it's more of a semi-casual vibe. So that's why I opted for a dark pair of straight leg denim that have a really nice front zipper that is larger than your normal zipper to give it that different edgy aesthetic. So when you pair this together, you have a very fun, creative, really out of the box outfit that will spark a conversation. They'll say, oh my gosh, I never would think to put houndstooth and stripes together, which cues to them that you think out of the box in terms of the work that you're gonna provide for the position. And then adding the dark denim to it, you have to have something that falls back because you don't want too many competing voices. Now, when it comes to shoes, I still wanna do a black shoe with it. I just wanna keep it very simple. But this is a creative outfit, mixing different textures and then having the jeans take a back seat. Now for a purse, it's important. It's not like the biggest thing in the world because you're gonna put your purse down when you walk into the room. But I do feel that there's something to it. And what I love, and these purses go with every single thing on this rack. Staud is such a great brand. They have different shapes, different sizes, just really unique stuff, but the price point is super fair. So I love this black bag for both outfits because it's almost like a half moon shape. And again, it's unexpected. It's not your traditional square purse that you see every day. It really spices up the outfit without you having to overthink it. Now, how do you mix up hyper corporate and hyper creative? Let me show you. What you can do is you can easily take these gray slacks and take the top for the creative and put them together. So depending on what your career choice is, you can wear an outfit like this by mixing two different extremes. Again, same shoes, same bag, keep it simple. Now, moving on to the next part, it's the presentation. When you're standing up in front of a room of 10 or 100 people, a presentation is always very nerve-wracking. So you don't want to second guess yourself with what you're wearing. You want to feel confident because that in cloth cognition is really, really, really powerful because when you look good, you feel good. You're not thinking about, oh my God, is my shirt coming out? Oh my God, are these pants too long? You're not worrying about your outfit at all. You're feeling very confident so that you can address the room with your utmost attention without any personal distractions. So here's my suggestion for what to wear for a presentation if you're working the corporate field. I really love, again, houndstooth. We're literally in dead fall right now, so houndstooth is really gonna be basically everywhere. But I love these Stella McCartney houndstooth pants because of the flare. It has a little bit of uniqueness as compared to just like a regular straight leg slack, but then we tone it down, right? We don't want people talking about what you're wearing. We want people to talk about what you're saying. So we're gonna put a neutral bodysuit inside, and then for a little bit of coverage, because again, it's a little revealing for a presentation, we are going to add a very silky, oversized blazer over, which again, it's very lightweight because when you're up and you're talking and you're moving, your body temperature is heating up, and so you don't want to wear a really heavy blazer or a coat because you'll be sweating by the end of your presentation, and that's not a cute look for anyone. So this is how we're gonna layer it together, is with the bodysuit inside the slacks with a silky blazer over top. Now for shoes, I wanna do a beige shoe. I don't want your shoes to really take the forefront of the stage because I want your legs to stay super long and have your proportions be balanced. So we're gonna do a neutral shoe, but I did spice it up. And these shoes in particular have a really cute faux fur rosette, which I think is like a nice little notion. So it's not like a boar snore beige outfit. So this is the presentation look. And the purse that I want to use with it is this turquoise Staud purse. Like I mentioned, this is by Staud, but I'm bringing out the blue in the houndstooth through the purse. So that's the flow of everything that's going on. Now in the creative field for a presentation, I feel like we should have fun with it. And what is more fun than these pants? They are absolutely my favorite. They are so comfortable and they just, I mean, did these pants not scream at you? Like really let you know like, hey, I'm here, I have something to say and you need to pay attention. So these are my go-to slacks for any presentation. And then I'm gonna add a simple green turtleneck sweater to complete the look. I don't wanna add a piece of outerwear to this. I really feel like this says all that you need to say with an outfit. Again, with the same shoes. Now, when it comes to a purse, you can do the blue or you can do the black. It really just depends on how colorful you want to be and what makes you feel comfortable. But either one works. Don't be afraid of color. 'Tis why you're listening to my channel. Now, what to do for a job in between for a presentation. This is how I would remix it. I would still take these slacks and then I would take this bodysuit. Obviously have it tucked in because it'd be weird otherwise. And then we want to add the blue blazer on top. So we're really playing with color for the presentation outfit if you have a job in between hyper corporate and very creative. So again, don't be afraid of mixing and matching colors. New York Fashion Week just finished a couple months ago, and what I saw on the runway was a ton of color blocking. So why not follow suit and take that as an example and try it out yourself by doing this sort of color combination. It's not true color blocking, but between the blue and the green together, you're really signaling to that trend without being quite literal. So it's a nice balance between the two. Finishing off, let's talk about networking. It's so important to just be out there talking to people, introducing yourself so that when the time comes that a job opportunity comes up that you're interested in, you already have a connect because you've been out and about and chit-chatting. But what are you gonna wear? If you work in the corporate environment, I love, obsessed with this long gray skirt. I would suggest wearing this for corporate, creative, anything in between. And it's such a versatile piece depending on what you pair with it. So for the corporate environment, when you're networking, again, I think conservative is key, and you being the center of attention as opposed to your outfit is really your anchor here. So you take the leather skirt and you pair it with this beige turtleneck sweater. And what I love most about this sweater is the crochet at the top. I think it's a nice subtle detail that communicates something unique about yourself without being like too loud and overpowering. The leather boots that you see to my right really carry up into the skirt. So it's like one long silhouette and it's a really beautiful line. It's also very edgy. Ankle boots or booties, they're out. It's all knee-high and thigh-high. So that's why I chose these knee-high black leather boots to really carry up into the leather skirt and have a long, elongated proportions. For creative, I feel like you can have fun. You can kind of sex it up for creative. So I'm doing a very basic bodysuit, and the accessories here are what make it super different than just a bodysuit and a leather skirt. We have this bracelet that is a little bit gothic. Gothic's a trend right now. We have an oversized gold chain, and then we have gold hoop earrings. Accessories are so impactful to your outfit that you don't want to miss this really crucial step when you're getting ready for an interview, a presentation, or for networking. So this is how the outfit would look for a networking event paired with the boots together. Now, if you're a little bit chilly, guess what you can do? Because I'm about mixing and matching, I'm about closet versatility. When you have a signature style, your closet will have cohesion. So look, the interview outfit jacket that I pulled for corporate, if it's a little chilly outside, because again, it's fall, you simply pair this houndstooth jacket with the bodysuit. When you add the leather skirt to this outfit, you can see that there's immediately a little bit more of a conservative vibe. And if you're a woman that's a little bit subconscious about her arms or her bust, this jacket really gives some great coverage. So this would be my suggestion for a creative field networking event. Going back to the corporate outfit, really simple transition. If it's freezing where you live and you're watching this and you do need a jacket, look how easy this is. Super, super simple, which really shows you how investing in quality pieces that have a lot of color in them really helps to expand your wardrobe in a very effortless way so that you don't have a wardrobe packed full of inventory and you're shopping really smart. But again, When you have cohesion, you have a signature style, which is a whole other topic that I have a whole other segment for. This is to focus on the different outfits for the different job opportunities and different networking events that you have. But again, versatility is key with a signature style. Now, in between, we have corporate, we have creative. Now, something that's in between you can do is, again, taking the skirt, pairing it with the boots, but then we can go back to this green turtleneck, short sleeve sweater for a career that's in between corporate and creative. I think green is a really great color on a lot of different skin tones, so it's very versatile for a wide range of people. Ultimately, adjust your choices based on each situation. Simply put, dress for the occasion. This versatility allows you to remain authentic while still making an impact. Remember, the goal isn't to impress others, it's to empower yourself. Dress for you, because when you feel good, you're gonna perform even better. For me, the two most important and practical tips to help you incorporate power dressing into your daily routine are first, layering. The layering part is really important because it's a technique that's really easy to incorporate into your daily life. But it also allows you for easy adjustments depending on the formality of the situation. It really helps to create versatility in your closet. The second is tailoring every single outfit for the perfect fit. No matter how expensive it is or how trendy your clothes are, if they don't fit well, then you're not gonna make you feel very powerful because you're gonna be adjusting your fit all the time. So definitely prioritize finding a local tailor or a seamstress with a very sharp eye to make those small adjustments that you can have so that the fit is perfect and it doesn't look very fussy. Now, I promised you a very special giveaway, and I really do love making these videos, and I appreciate every single person that supports by subscribing. So I want to offer my time to show you my appreciation. So the giveaway is that you can win a 2-hour virtual styling session with me. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below so that I can check to see if you really did subscribe. And for extra giveaway bonus points, email me at masseystyles@gmail.com. I put my email in the description of this video. This is a perfect opportunity to elevate your personal style so you don't want to miss out. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who also need a style boost. For even more maximalist style, check out my Instagram and shop what I'm buying my clients right now on my Shop My account, which is at Style Me Massey. I know, you're welcome. I really try to keep it really simple for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next outfit.